Hello all. Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy, and I'm here with another letter, that is R. R say Rishi. So we have R letter, and let's not waste much time and get into the tracing of the letter. So before that, as always, our practice goes on. Let's go with the previous letter, that is U. And how did we practice the letter U? That is, we just go with the number 3, a hook from between and a sleeping line. This is oo. Now let's see the next letter, that is Re. This is little complicated, but let's go stepwise. The first step is draw a standing line. Yes. Then you draw a slanting line from half of the standing line and again a small slanting line from half of the upper side of the standing line. So you can just write it as the opposite K, like the English letter K goes like this, right? So we are going to write the opposite K, that is a slanting line or a V. You can just give a curve or you can just draw a straight line. Either of it is correct. And then the next step is you take another slanting line on the opposite side, make a loop and wait here. Okay. What did we do? We just took a slanting line, made a loop, and then now write a kick for the next step. That is, go with the slanting line, make a loop, stop here, and then give a kick or a curve. So this is and this is how you make the opposite side of the K, and now the sleeping line above it, which goes across the complete reel. Now let's see it. Let's do it again. Yes, a standing line which goes down, and then a sleeping line that is an opposite K. And then take a small slanting line, make a loop, stop here, and then give a small kick or a curve. And then a sleeping line across it. Isn't it easy now? Let's do it one more time. A standing line, make an opposite K, take a slanting line from the opposite side, make a loop, stop here, and then a small curve or a kick. And then a sleeping line running across it. So this becomes Re. What is this letter? This letter is Re. Now, let's see the words which start with the letter Re. That is, Re say Ritu. Ritu is the seasons. How many seasons do we have? We have rainy season, we have summer season, we have winter, we have autumn, we have spring, different kinds of seasons, right? So this is Ritu. Ritu means season. Yes. The next word is Rishi. Rishi is the saint who do pujas. Yes. So Rishi. So Rishi. And what are the words we have learned? Ritu and Rishi. Yes. Little complicated, but on the practice we will come out of all these problems. Yes. Now let's get into the tip of it and tip of the day. And parents, here I am with the next tip of 3 minutes. The important 3 minutes of the day. The second 3 minutes is the first 3 minutes when your child is back from the school, which is very important. So rather than letting them to go and switch on the TV, we have a feeling that they have got tired with the school work and all. So let them relax for a while. Let them watch TV. No, rather than letting them to go to the TVs or asking them about what are the homeworks. Come on, open your bag. Let's start doing the homeworks. Or Just saying hi from other room where you are busy and your child just came in. So instead of all these things, you can try doing like saying, I'm so happy to see you, my child. Welcome back home. And just tell me, how was the day today? What was the best thing you remember in the class? What happened? The best thing what happened? Or I see you look little sad. Let's sit down and snuggle for a while. That is, you just take them, give a small hug, just talk to them. Little musty will really help them to cheer up. And then they also come out with any of the issues they had in the class. And last thing, you can just offer them the snack, of course, very important, and share with them how was your day, and you can just ask them how was their day. They can just share their happiness, they when they felt bad, little low. All these things can be discussed. So this makes your child more connected with you. These are the major important 3 minutes which will make your child feel that there is somebody to share. I don't have to really worry. I'm not alone, kind of thing. So make sure that these are sweet nothings, but makes a lot of difference with you and your child's relation. Hope these videos help you and keep practicing all the letters. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Let's meet in the next video. Namaste.